Ever pondered on the idea of creating a YouTube channel powered by artificial intelligence? Well, the future of content creation is here, and it's more fascinating than you could ever imagine. Imagine a world where the burden of brainstorming, editing, and scheduling is taken over by an AI. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not only possible, it's happening right now. The first step in setting up your AI-powered YouTube channel is picking the right AI tool. There are numerous options out there, but some of the most popular include Lumen 5, InVideo, and Magisto. These tools use artificial intelligence to create high-quality videos from text or existing video content. Once you've chosen your tool, next is feeding it the right information. This could be in the form of text or existing video content. The AI then analyzes this data, learning from it and using it to create new, unique content. The third step is customization. While AI is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. It's important to go through the content it creates and make any necessary tweaks or changes. This could be anything from changing the color scheme to altering the pacing of the video. After you're satisfied with the content, the next step is uploading it to your YouTube channel. Most AI tools have an inbuilt feature that allows you to directly upload the content onto your channel. Finally, the last step is scheduling. Again, many AI tools offer scheduling features, allowing you to plan when your videos go live. This ensures that your content is consistently being uploaded, keeping your viewers engaged and coming back for more. So to recap, Step 1, pick the right AI tool. Step 2, feed the AI the right information. Step 3, customize the content. Step 4, upload the content to your YouTube channel. And Step 5, schedule your videos. Creating a YouTube channel with AI is not just about easing the process, but also about enhancing the quality of content and making it more engaging. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that while AI is a powerful tool, it's your creativity and uniqueness that will truly make your channel stand out. So go ahead and take the first step towards creating your AI-powered YouTube channel and embrace the future of content creation.